How to send messages or text people on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can text people or send messages on TikTok. Now before doing so, what you'll have to understand is only registered account holders as 16 and older will be able to use this feature of text messages on TikTok. Now if your account is registered but your age is below 16 plus on the account, then you won't be able to send direct messages. The other thing is the privacy settings. If you have set your privacy settings to no one, then no one will be able to send you a text message. And similarly, if someone has set their privacy settings to receive text from no one, then you won't be able to message them. Or if they have set it to only friends or followers, then only their friends and followers will be able to send them message, and you won't be able to send them message until you have been following them. You want to simply open up your TikTok app and you'll get an interface like this. Now here what you want to do is, if you head into the inbox section at the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to view your inbox here and you'll be able to send message here. If you head into new followers and if you suppose open someone's account profile, and there you'll find a send a wave option, and once you send it you'll find the message option as well. So this way you can send a message to anyone. You'll just have to open up the profile, and once you open up the profile you'll be able to send a text message. Simply open up their profile, and on the profile you'll find the message option. Simply tap on it and you'll be able to message them. However, if they have set their privacy settings to only me or only followers, then you won't be able to message them if you are not following them. If they have set it to only me, or you won't be able to message them at all if they have set it to no one. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.